First you will need to remove this metal plate from the bead deflector head. To do this, remove the two nuts that are holding it in place. Like so. Once the plate is removed, you can assemble your bead shield. First, place the metal plate you removed into the middle of the shield, behind the first layer of plexiglass. Then, place the screws through the first layer of plexiglass and the metal plate. Next, place the adjustable bead gate levers onto the screws, behind the metal plate. Like so. Now, slide the assembled bead shield back onto the bead deflector head. Then, you can pinch the bead shield shut, so everything is encased in the two layers of plexiglass. Place the washer and then the split lock washer onto the screw and secure in place with the wing nut. Repeat this for the other screw. To adjust the bead drop width, simply loosen the wing nuts, adjust the levers, and retighten the wing nuts. That is how to install the bead shield system. Easy peasy.